Hello awesome creators, really short video how to add the cards to your YouTube video, what might help your subscribers or viewers to see the videos, or maybe the playlist if you want to have more views and so on. So let's go. Actually, everything is super simple. Just click on your video, go inside, and then click on cards, and you will see the menu with the plus. So you can click there, and in the timeline you can choose to where you want to put your card. So it can be like literally anywhere. So you can add a certain video. It can be like literally any video, but you cannot add the same video or same playlist the few times, or you can add the whole playlist, let's say. So basically maximum you can add 5 cards. So you can add 1, 2, depend from your preference, or you can add channel, let's say your channel or channel with who you cooperate, let's say. So you just type a channel name and find it in list and just click for edit, and that's it. Everything's super simple. So just write a name for it and just a short description. So basically I just type like a few words. Yeah, so it will not allow you to add a channel without a brief description actually. So usually we put the cards on the end of the video, so be sure your video have a little bit space on the end when people can see it, like for the 10 seconds or so on. So nothing much complicated. You will come in 5 minutes and you will be totally fine with that. So basically you can click and drag your cards anywhere on the screen, on the top left or top right, whatever, and also you can put it anywhere on your timeline. So it depends from your preferences, let's say. So if you explain certain information, you can add some video so people can click now or later and watch the another video what might contain a certain information, let's say. And additionally, when you click on your video, you can go to edit and do absolutely the same thing. Okay, thank you for watching and stay tuned.